On my first day at the chemo clinic, if I think about my mental health on that day, I was in a dark place. And as I approached the door, I was so full of trepidation. I can honestly tell you that when I walked through that door and was greeted by sunlight and brightness and cheerful dispositions of the personalities that were working that day, I could feel a physical change in me, and certainly in my mental well-being. I just felt so lifted up. The decor was beautiful. There was beautiful pictures of nature everywhere, and paintings, and the most comfortable furniture. The chairs were no less than amazing. There was really wonderful little cartoons that were drawn by one of the nurses, and they were just cheery little notes. And I remember I sat in front of that wall many times, and I would read them and reread them, and each time I read them I would laugh. It is just so important that when you go through an experience like this, that you're welcomed into a wonderful setting. My mindset and my fortitude and my own strength was totally enhanced by the space that I was provided, by the care I was provided, by all of the little pieces that came together. For me, it was key and absolutely essential that I was in a good space. And really and truly, every week that I would wake up on Wednesday morning knowing I had to go, I looked forward to it, reuniting with my peers, and then to see the staff regularly like that, who'd become hugely important to me and hugely a part of my inner circle during that time. And I looked forward to my Wednesdays. I looked forward to being in that bright, beautiful space. My spirits completely lifted just entering the room. And it just eased my anxiety so much, walking through that door and being greeted by a wonderful team of people.